How to enable two-factor authentication on Olymp Trade. Are you using Olymp Trade and want to add an extra layer of security to your account? If yes, then you can easily enable 2FA. It helps protect your account from unauthorized logins, even if someone already knows your password. So in order to do that, first of all, launch open Olymp Trade application on your device and log in. Once you're logged into the home screen of Olymp Trade, go ahead and click on the profile icon at the top left corner. Now, from the expanded menu, click on Settings at the bottom. After you open up Settings, click on the two-factor authentication option under Security. Now, you can use two-factor authentication methods displayed on the screen. You can use Facebook Messenger and Google Authenticator. I'm just gonna choose Google Authenticator. Tap on any one of them and click Continue. Now, you will be able to see the activation key generated. Also, make sure that you download and open up the Google Authenticator application on the same device and open it up. Now, copy the activation key from this page and open up Google Authenticator. And once you're inside Google Authenticator app, tap the plus button at the bottom right corner and click on Enter Setup Key. Under your key, paste in the key that you just copied from Olymp Trade, and in the account name, type in Olymp Trade so that you can recognize it later and click on Add. Once you do that, you will be able to notice the Olymp Trade security key has been added at the bottom. Tap on it and get back to Olymp Trade and click Continue. Enter the code that was generated from your two-factor authentication and click Submit. Soon after you do that, you will be able to enable two-factor authentication on Olymp Trade account. Once confirmed, you'll see a notification that the two-factor authentication is activated and enabled. Now, every time you log in, Olymp Trade will ask you for the code from your Authenticator app or your Messenger app. Simply enter it and you'll be able to enable two-factor authentication just like that. So that is how it's super easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.